Man, welcome back to another reaction video, man. So today we're gonna be doing a reaction video for Honest Trailer, man. Cats. Shout out to Screen Junkies, man. So first time I see this cat movie, I believe was what? Oh yeah, I went to see Lion King, and you know they do the the previews and for a lot of upcoming movie, and this was one of them, man. And everybody that I went with seems like they knew what it was and liked it. I'm like, what the hell is this? Look trash and garbage, man. And eventually came out and it was trash, man. So I'm not sure if it's a remake of like an old movie or what it is, man. But subscribe, man. Leave a comment. I haven't watched it yet. It should be interesting though. With that, I haven't watched the actual movie yet, but this video should be interesting. They usually tell you what the movie is about, so we gonna find out. With that, man, here we go.
Thousands of years ago, humanity developed the ability to speak to one another. Now, in the year 2019 BC, as in before cats, a film will stretch the descriptive ability of language to its breaking point, plunging viewers into a wordless animal state of panic and confusion, able to only meow at a world made senseless by what they've just seen.
Meow.
So without further ado, Cats. Now that director Tom Hooper has won his Oscar, Satan has returned to claim his half of the deal in a film that keeps everything insane about the Broadway show, but strips away the thrill of live performance and weirdly keeps a lot of the constraints of a staged production for a marathon of celebrity personas scream singing their way into your retinas. And since they sing everything,
I can pick any card from a pack.
I'll travel on the boat.
She sits and sits and sits.
we're gonna do the same to you. I am so sorry.
Are you high as a kite?
Did you hit up the bar?
Is your mind prepped to see
No.
sights macabre and bizarre?
Are you ready to gape like an open-mouthed bass?
Just thank your lucky stars you can't see up their ass. Jellicles are the jellicle cats. What the hell is a jellicle cat?
Jellicle.
Jellicle,
Jellicle, jellicle,
Jellicle.
jellicle,
jellicle, jellicle,
Jellicle, they're Chris Angel cats. Fire your agent cats. Ethereal cats. Ethereal cats. Taylor Swiftical cats. Emmy Griffical cats. Magneto cats. All regrettable cats. All of these cats will haunt you at night. You'll pray to God to rob you of sight. And see all your Broadway friends having fun while you're wishing this train wreck was done.
Yes.
We sing our intros, that's how the plot goes. In fact, it's more stupid than that. Learn the dumb names of the 8 or 9 mains.
Mr. Mistopheles.
Jenny Anydots,
Skimbleshanks,
Rum Tum Tugger.
McCavity, Buster Jones,
Mungo Jerry,
Runkle Teaser,
Asparagus, Old Deuteronomy.
Then J Hud gets in a balloon. It's a question if fame, all the sirs and the dames, if they just make Sir Ian do that. You'll laugh while you cringe as your mind comes unhinged while you try to make sense out of cats.
Ineffable.
get ready for a horror show that will shake you to your core. Full of images to haunt your dreams as your jaw drops to the floor. Like these roaches with a human face or Rebel Wilson's
What is
stain.
going on here?
The body horror on display makes Cronenberg look quaint.
What is this?
A travesty, this movie is a travesty.
Yeah, this is a travesty. Travesty.
Packed with shocking abnormality. How big are cats supposed to be? They don't know or don't care. Now close your eyes and go to sleep. Dame Judy's face will be there.
No.
Nobody saw this phenomenal bomb that lost tons of money. Reviews were all crap.
And we all sing, oh hell, never was there ever a failed endeavor this tragic. Oh God, won't
Punch me. The Gathering. We're in the movie. Pitch Perfect. Poker Family and Sticker. Name Judy Dench. MC Scat Cat. Trench Cat Curiosity Dog. Yeah, my kitten. Jack Sorrow. Look what they made you do.
To roast it is so fun.
Balls of Furry.
Balls of Furry. So that was.
Wait, are those the same two dancing twins from Men in Black International? Guys, you're great. I'm a big fan. You should really fire your agent.
So that was the video. Definitely check out the original video, man. The link will be in the description. Definitely like, definitely subscribe, man. Shout out to the original creator of the video, Screen Junkies, man. The link will be in the description, man. And the link will be, the link will be in the description, man. So with that, man, your boys out of here. Peace.